Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, like and drop a comment, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to watch my next videos. Today I'll be talking about how to get rid of acne and also how to get rid of blackheads. Did you believe that you can get rid of all these things with just tomato and sugar? Yes, because I've tried it on and I've seen the difference on my face. Is very good. It helps get rid of acne and it also tightens skin pores, so it's very good. So has sugar, is also very good on skin. So in achieving this, all you'll be needing is just a tomato, and then make sure you wash your tomato before anything. And what you'll be doing is just this way. To scrub your face, use it to scrub your face. Make sure you scrub it very well. Make sure you scrub it well. Do this for 5 minutes. You can use it to scrub your face for 5 minutes and then leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Then you wash it off with warm water, not hot water please, just a little bit warm. Make sure you use it to scrub properly. So you can leave it this way for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. So I'll be right back. This is what my face looks like after 20 minutes. So I'm going to wash this off. So guys, this is the outcome on my face. And as you can see, my face feels so soft and it feels so peaceful. So I'll be trying this out for 2 weeks. So I'll be updating you guys on how it goes. And there's something I want to tell you guys about. Don't ever use the same towel you use to clean your body for your face. That shit is not good. It destroys your face. One of the things that affected my face, and I wouldn't advise anyone to do that. So thank you guys. Thank you for sticking till the end. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.